Welcome to the Opentable, where restaurants and chefs alike join forces with the world's leading hospitality consultancy, Jon Taffer. At Opentable, we understand that running a restaurant is difficult, and it's getting more difficult every day. That's why Jon Taffer and his team are here to help. For a limited time, get special access to the Opentable platform and join Jon Taffer's team of experts for free. Get a free POS system, free upgrades, and other bonuses, all with one click. Plus, when you book an appointment to speak with one of Jon's nationwide agents, you can get even more exclusive access to the Opentable platform. So don't wait, click the link below in the description and book an appointment time to speak with one of Jon's nationwide agents today. Only at Opentable, link below. Thanks. In this video, we will explore advanced tips and tricks for integrating Opentable with Jon Taffer's POS system. Opentable is a popular online reservation platform that helps restaurants manage their bookings effectively. By integrating it with Jon Taffer's POS system, restaurant owners can streamline their operations and enhance the guest experience. Join us as we delve into some advanced techniques to optimize your Opentable integration. The first step in optimizing your Opentable integration is to configure the reservation settings within Jon Taffer's POS system. We will walk you through the process of synchronizing your Opentable account with the POS system, setting up reservation rules, and managing table availability. These settings ensure a seamless flow of information and prevent any double bookings or conflicts. Let's dive into the details and make the most out of your integration. One of the key advantages of integrating Opentable with Jon Taffer's POS system is the ability to leverage guest insights. We will show you how to access and analyze valuable guest data, such as dining preferences, previous orders, and feedback. This information can help you personalize the guest experience, identify VIP customers, and make informed marketing decisions. Join us as we explore the power of guest insights and unlock new opportunities for your restaurant. Efficiency is crucial for running a successful restaurant. By integrating Opentable with Jon Taffer's POS system, you can automate various operational tasks and streamline your workflow. We will guide you in optimizing your order management process, automating table assignments, and synchronizing reservation updates. These advanced tips and tricks will help you save time, minimize errors, and ensure a smooth service flow. Let's supercharge your operational efficiency with Opentable integration. Integrating Opentable with Jon Taffer's POS system not only enhances your restaurant's internal operations but also boosts your online visibility. We will share strategies to optimize your Opentable profile, increase positive reviews, and attract more customers through the platform. By following these techniques, you can improve your restaurant's online reputation, increase bookings, and gain a competitive edge. Let's explore the world of online visibility and make the most out of your Opentable integration.